Dental bridges are a popular and reliable solution for replacing missing teeth as well as helping to restore a smile. If you've lost teeth, dental bridges could help fill in gap and enhance the condition of your teeth and improve confidence. The video below will explain the procedure's review of how dental bridges operate and how they may aid the patient. What is the difference between dental bridges and dentures? Dentures are tools that serve to fill gaps caused due to missing teeth. The bridges consist of two crowns that are placed on either end of the gap, which are fitted with false teeth or teeth between them for the purpose of restoring the missing tooth or the teeth. Dental bridges can be constructed using a variety of components that include porcelain, metal, or the two. How can dental bridges function? The first step of getting an implant-supported dental bridge is the preparation of the teeth for abutment that are on the opposite sides of the space. They will then be cut and adjusted to create space for the crowns that anchor the bridge. When the abutment teeth are created, impressions of teeth and the gap will be made to make the perfect bridge. After that, the bridge will then be made in the dental laboratory in order to replicate the appearance and color of your own teeth. After the bridge has been made and placed, it's then put into place and adjusted to guarantee it is comfortable to and comfortable fit. It will be placed in place and firmly anchored, thus completing the repair of your smile. Benefits of bridges for teeth. Dental bridges can provide a variety of benefits to those who are missing teeth. A few of these benefits are: better appearance. Dental bridges fill in gap created by missing teeth and bring back your smile. Improved speech. The absence of teeth could affect how you speak. A dental bridge may help in improving the quality of your speech. Better chewing capability. Dental missing may make it more difficult to chew correctly, but bridges for teeth can improve your eating ability. A Eurocent prevent teeth from shifting in the event that a tooth becomes missing. Adjacent teeth could shift in order to fill the gap. This may cause alignment issues. The dental bridge will stop this from occurring. Maintains the shape of your face. Maintains facial structure. Teeth missing may cause your face to look sagging and to appear sunken. The bridge in your dental can help preserve the natural look and shape of your face. Dental bridges can be an adaptable and secure solution to missing teeth. They may improve the appearance of your smile and restore your capacity to eat and speak normally, and help prevent dental issues in the future from happening. Dental bridges offer a convenient and reliable solution for replacing missing teeth and to restore your smile. If you're missing teeth and want to consider an implant, talk with your dentist about this procedure and the ways it could assist you. When properly maintained and cared for, the bridge will endure for years and can help keep your beautiful and healthy smile.